Welcome, everyone. Appreciate everybody bidding and joining tonight. Got a couple losers that didn't pay for whatever reason. Blessing and the curse of eBay. Send a message real quick here. I'll be right back. I guess I can't do that. If anybody's interested, we've got the Saints for 15, Texans for 7, Browns for 5, Ravens for 5, and Cardinals for 5. No additional shipping if you already have a team. If not, add $4. Alrighty. And do you already have a team? Oh, what's up, Derek? Didn't see you join, man. What's your team, Dragon? Falcons. Cool. And then if you're okay with it, PayPal or Venmo, just please do friends and family if you don't mind. And I'll just combine that with yours, and then perfect. All you would need to do is just pay me through Venmo or PayPal, Brendan Dyer, and I will add them into your shipment for you. I'm just going to note on my little notepad here. Falcons. Oh. Okay, and then Ravens equals Bears. Derek, if you want the remaining 3, I do 15 total for you on the remaining 3 there. Yeah, just pay 5, no shipping. Send Venmo or PayPal. Derek, it's been a while, so I might have to hit you up for your shipping address again. It's probably in one of our conversations, but all right, folks. Well, I appreciate you. Appreciate that. And then I think we are good to go. If not, I'll post that up there again for the teams that needed the payment information. I'll just put it in the comments here too. Is Venmo. All right, folks. Well, appreciate you joining this evening. Always exciting to open a new product. Thank you so much. I'll get these shipped out tomorrow as I'm on vacation on Saturday. So I have to get these shipped out to you really quickly. So hopefully you guys will get them quick and get them in your personal collection or flip the good cards, whatever you do with them. That is your prerogative. Let's get ripping. These are the Target variation. And we've got a lot we can get, okay? We're looking for tie-dyes, gold cards, numbered to 5 cards. We can get to green, I believe, signatures, all sorts of stuff, man. So the only bad thing about Select this year is it is a large set list. So with large set lists, hits sometimes can be few and far between. So that is tough, but hopefully the card gods will be in our favor tonight, and we'll get some nice ones. Empty box there. Again, we are Duke's Card Store 23. eBay is doing some weird stuff with breakers. I got a note that as of July 18th, they're not going to be letting anybody do it anymore. You have to be selected. So I've not gotten word that I'll be selected, so this may be one of our last breaks. I think we'll be able to get 1 or 2 more in July, but we'll move over to Whatnot and do it over there. So we'll still advertise on Instagram. Anyways, Terry McLaurin, DeMar Hamlin. We got the green and yellow. That's the variation we're looking for here. Gabe Davis for the Bills. And then Chris Olave. There we go. Right off the bat. Whoa, they hit us up with the triple tag. Really didn't want that one to get stolen. All right, we got Amon-Ra, Cameron Dicker, the kicker. There's our first Ritter for the Falcons. The Select Future card, just a base there, not a silver, and then Dak Prescott. This is break number 1, sir. We got Lamar Jackson, another Olave. This is the concourse version. I got to get used to how these look this year. And then Eric with the green and yellow for the Dolphins, and Orlando Brown. Got an interesting card on the back there, I think. Or maybe not. Jake Ferguson, Alec Pierce, turbocharged Debo, and then, yeah, I thought this was an auto or something. It looked very white on the back there. And then just Nick Bonito. Nick Bonito, silver there. All right, we got Kobe Bryant, Jaquan Brisker in the orange jerseys, green and yellow Kyle Phillips, and that is the club level. And then Marlon Humphrey. Feels thick. Yep, we got our first patch here. All right, Derek Carr, Kyle Hamilton. We got a numbers card, McCaffrey. And then this is Matt Corral. Seeing if it was like numbered or anything there. But it is just a regular old patch. Not a great first box there. Then I need to get my sorting tray. I'm so sorry. I'll have to run and grab that real quick. It's just in the other room, so brief pause here. All right, 1 second, folks. All right, just makes my shipping process a little bit faster. Yeah, somebody did take the Saints. Sorry about that, Justin. All right, box 2. A little beat up here. Hopefully the cards are undamaged. Security tags, man. Yeah, just barely. Nothing major. Nothing major in that first box there. Skylar Thompson. We got Romeo Doubs for the Packers. There we go. Cam Jurgens, that's what everybody's looking for. And Russell. Rondell Moore. Martin Emerson. Turbocharged Amon-Ra. Then a silver Dylan Parham. Got Mac Jones, Justin Jefferson, Michael Pittman, green and yellow, and then Drake Jackson. Open that horribly, sorry folks. Cooper Kupp, our first numbered card of the break, and it is Kobe Bryant. Kobe for the Seahawks, that is numbered to 199. 101 to 199. And then we got Devontae Adams numbers and Nick Bosa. We got Leal, not the Steeler we're looking for. Javonte, Devontae, and Chad. Chad Muma. AJ Brown, Malik Willis, and there's our first George Pickens and a Desmond Ridder. A couple base at the end there. We're looking for the zebras, though. Tie-dye. Looking for those good numbered cards. I'm going to get old George up there for a second. Swap that out and get the green and yellow up there. And then our numbered card. All right, that was box 2. We're on to box 3. It was a, that's Matt Corral. Matt Corral. All right, Alec Pierce, Kobe Bryant, Jalen Waddle, and Jonathan Taylor. What's up, Dave? What's up, Wilkes? Jaquan Brisker. Couple of him tonight. Derek Carr. There we go. Little Falcons action. Keontae Ingram. And this is the green and yellow die cut that we're looking for out of these. I mean, looks pretty well centered. Anytime you're looking to grade these, edging is going to be super important on them. So get this slid in here real nice and slow. There we go. First good QB of the night for one of our die cuts. Trayvon Walker, Khalil Shakur, got turbocharged Jonathan Taylor, and then a Micah Parsons. Not numbered, just the silver, and that's the club level, I believe. Club level, there you go. Not a big fan of the club level, how they did that this year. I don't like that design for some reason. Jameson Williams, Keenan Allen, not red, green, yellow, yellow, green, concourse here for the Chiefs, Jalen Ramsey. Cam Taylor Britt, numbered card, Rodrigo for the Lions to $2.99. Man, they were talking about doing the Lions again for Hard Knocks. I saw an article on that. I was like, I mean, they were fun, but like, let's get some variety. Let's force the Jets to do it. We all want to see it, whether they want it or not. They're gonna have to accept it. So, Penning, Donovan Wilson, Tyreek Hill, and then Minkah Fitzpatrick. I like Hard Knocks. It's a fun show. I wish they had more episodes, though. It kind of goes too quick for me. A little bit too quick for me. All right, cover up Mr. Pickens there. Come on. Anybody hit anything massive out of Select yet? Any other breaks you've done where you've gotten big stuff or your own personal cards? Let's hear some hits. Box 4. Box number 4. Jeez. They're just throwing these tags in everywhere. Oh. Nice. Well, hopefully we get some good for you then. It's a fun product. I really like it. It's just the big set list this year has me a little weary on it. They were hitting Walmart pretty hard and some Myers if you have those. Target should be getting it tomorrow and or next week. So just depending on when your Target's stock. So check those out. Kenny Gainwell in my favorite jersey. They have the lime green ones. Olave and John Mechie. Justin Fields, Daniel Bellinger, Terry McLaurin, green and yellow there, and then a Terry McLaurin regular. A Pickett purple to $1.99. Not bad. Ooh, we've got a zebra. We got a zebra, folks. That's what we're looking for. But we don't get to see that yet. It's just right there. I'm not pulling it off screen. Sorry about that. So many sketchy breakers out there now. You got to be careful how you set things down. Kaiir Elam. I'll keep it in the shot, too. Quay Walker. There's a Joey B, green and yellow. And then Zion. Oh, boy. Yeah, that's the thing with these, man. They can be anybody. It can be anyone. So I probably shouldn't slow roll it like that, but it's a little more fun. Herbert, Jamar Chase. A lot of turbocharged cards tonight. Damian Pierce and Brian Cook. Kate Otten, Dak Prescott, DeMar Hamlin, green and yellow, and then DJ Moore. All right, let's get to this. We'll go from the back here. Oh, Trevor Lawrence, silver. Second year. Nice. We've got Treylon Burks. Oh, we already know it's bad. Martin Emerson. Saw the Browns, and I was like, woof. But there you go, Derek. Continuing your streak, man. Buying the unpurchased teams, always hitting the case hits. Dude, that's just so funny to me. Derek hasn't done a break with me in forever. He bought tons and tons of cards from me. And he gives them to some of the kids in his wife's class and stuff. And he would buy the unsold teams just primarily all the time. And I'm not going to cover him up. We'll cover him up. And he'd always get the case hit. And so we got the zebra there. So that's just funny. I'll laugh at that. Always, man. That's great. I'm not sleeping Traylon Burks right now. What am I doing? Get out of here, Traylon Burks. Yeah, that white uni is sick. They've got a couple of the players in it. I think T. Higgins is in the white, too. Love seeing a zebra, though. That's always nice. Martin Emerson for the zebra, though. My God. It's a cool-looking card, though. You can see the zebra print a lot better this year. Perfect, man. They'll enjoy that one. All right, box 5. Almost to the midway point. We need a Pickett. We need a Purdy. Is that an auto? That's not an auto. It's just a backwards card. Malik Willis. All right, Mac Jones, numbered card to 299. There we go, Patriots. Little lime green there. Another turbocharged Nick Chubb. And Bernhard Raymond. I think my lights are low or something. I'm having trouble seeing here. One second, guys. Nope. Just blind, I guess. Just blind. George Karlaftis. There's our first Sam Howell. George Kittle, green and yellow. And then a Matt Corral. Couple QBs in a row there. Sam Darnold, Jermaine Johnson, George Pickens, and Rashid Shaheed. It sure does, man. Sure does. Derek Stingley, Danny Gray, Kirby Joseph, and Zeke. There's our first Kenny Pickett, and this is the concourse. Jalen Hurts. There's Select Future, Jamar Chase, and Matt Judon. Silver. Desmond Ridder, Tyquan Thornton, Bellis, and CMC. Good box for some base QBs there, but we want the numbered, we want the zebra, the tie-dye, all sorts of hits. All right, 5 boxes left. We're doing all right. Doing okay. Just one. Just one worthy. Hey, beauty's in the eye of the beholder, so you see something you want top-loaded, we'll throw it in there, man. I got you. I got you on that. And those of you that have not broken with me before, all rookies will get sleeved. Hits for your team will get top-loaded if I'm not top-loading it on the screen. I make sure cards are well protected when you get sent out. I'm a collector too, not just a breaker myself, so I hate getting poorly packaged items, and nothing worse than that. So, Oh, okay, cool. Well, here we go. You're looking for a top-loaded card. Dicker the kicker. Lamar Jackson, Wandell, and Alante. Yeah, did I sleeve your Joe Burrow? I think I did, right? Yeah, I got that. Joey B on top of Patrick Mahomes. We'll take that. Showcase him. Olave, Jake Ferguson, ATN, and Tyler Smith. That's awesome. Alec Pierce, Kobe Bryant, Josh Pascal, Trey Lance. Yeah, I think there's just certain cards they shouldn't have. Like, you shouldn't have a case hit be a kicker. Like, it should only be certain players. I don't know. I guess that takes away some of the rarity, right? Jaquan Brisker, Derek Carr, another turbocharged Jefferson, and another Leal silver there. Trayvon Walker, Khalil Shakir, Kenneth Murray, and Jelani Woods. Jamison Williams, Keenan Allen, Derrick Henry, and Bailey. That was a bad box. I'm just sleeving this because this was the closest thing. Yeah, not yet for Joe. Yeah, not till he beats him and they win the Super Bowl, I think, right? Not even then. I mean, they're going to both be up there. Obviously, Mahomes is, I think, the guy right now, but Burrow's a close second, I think, in my opinion. Jalen Hurts had a fantastic year last year. Case hit coaches. Yeah, I don't think we've got Rex Ryan this year. Not in select this year. We got Lamar, Olave. There's a Pickett, Gabe Davis, Ferguson, Pierce, Cam Taylor-Britt, green and yellow, and then Jack Jones. Got a little signature action. We'll hold off on that. Looked like a Patriot, though, so nothing major there. Jaquan Brisker, Derek Carr, nice Sutton there for the Broncos, and Tom Brady. Trayvon Walker, Khalil Shakir, Stefan Diggs, and Joshua. What product was that Rex Ryan was in? No, it was just Rex Ryan. Was it Prism? Jamison Williams, Keenan Allen, Trevor Penning, and Trent McDuffie. All right, let's see what we got here. We got Nakobe Dean, turbocharged Gabe Davis. Then I believe this is an auto. Jalen Smith. And this might be numbered. It is not numbered. Jalen Smith auto for the Giants. That stinks. We got Martin Emerson and Jalen Smith. Oof. Well, at least we delivered some hits there, you know? At least we delivered a few hits on that. 3 boxes left. We can do better. We can do better. Yeah. Bummer when you get those hits. You get a zebra, you get an auto, you know. You always hope it's one of the bigger teams for the break, but it is difficult. All right, we got Jalen Hurts, Desmond Ridder, Hassan Haskins, Isaiah Likely. Man, all these tags. Yeah, you've had a few. You got QB, you got McLaurin, Tyquan Thornton, Darren Waller, Saquon, and Pierre Strong. Yeah, just a base Sam Hollow, and then you got a colored Terry McLaurin card. No Dotson or Brian Robinson yet. Rashad Bateman, DJ Moore, Javonte Green in yellow, Cade York. We're hot with the kickers. Zovian Knight. Do we have another auto here? We're just going to go right to it, okay? Deshaun Silver, Treylon Burks, and then... Come on, Panini. Woohoo! There you go, Justin. This one's numbered. So see, some of these are numbered. 16 of 50. Like, what's the difference here? Is this white on the edges? Yeah, it's white. It's not silver. Okay. Yeah, so awesome. So excited we got a Tony Hill auto. This is great. This is great news. Why couldn't that have been Brock Purdy? You know? A little Brock Purdy auto would have been cool. But we got Tony Hill for the Cowboys. That's great. Go boys. Go Cowboys. Damian Pierce, George Kittle, Derek Carr, Deontay. Velus Jones, Sky Moore, Damian Pierce, and there's the all-white Higgins. Woof. Woof, woof, woof. Yeah, sorry, you probably heard that, and I was like, ooh, I shouldn't have even said that. Somebody could not be listening and just pick up that piece and get excited, and my fault. It's my fault. I apologize. All right, 2 boxes left, folks. Two boxes left. Good luck, everyone. We need a good Pickett. We need a good Purdy. Jameson, Cam Taylor, Pierre Strong, JT. Trevor Penning, Donovan Wilson, Matt Corral, and Jack Jones. Okay, Jonathan Taylor, Kenneth Gainwell. There's a nice Olave for the Saints, green and yellow. Keontae Ingram. We got a numbered card here. We got Justin Fields. I believe it's upside down. There we go. There we go. Bailey Zappi and Derek Young. Desmond Ridder. Orange to $2.99, $1.99, 104 or 199. Got the premier level on this one. Not a bad Ridder night. Nice job, Falcons. Got a few base of him, and now that numbered card. That's great. All right. Bellinger, T-Law, Cade York, Jalen Ramsey. He sure is. Sure is. All right, Kaiir Elam, Quay Walker, another turbocharged Lockett, and then Minka Fitzpatrick. Got a lot of Minkas tonight, too. All right, folks, our last box here. I'm going to try and do a break on Whatnot at 11 tonight as well. If you guys are interested in jumping over there, I was going to do Pick Your Division on auctions. Do a little bit of a giveaway beforehand. Give away some 2021 Prism cello packs. Or a like and a follow. Same name there. Duke's Card Store 23. Whoa. Whoa. We good? Okay. I haven't done many breaks on there, so I don't have many followers. Not sure if it'll work out, so let you know once we're on there. But appreciate everybody joining tonight. We'll do a quick recap at the end here of all the hits. Oh my goodness. Open it this way. And again, like I said, I will get these shipped out to you tomorrow. All right, we got Eric Christian Watson. That's our first Watson. We'll get him sleeved. Derek Carr and Dallas Goedert. All right, we got Trey McBride, Akeem, numbers Justin Fields, and then a silver Tom Brady. We got Cole Strange, Christian Harris, Harrison Phillips, and Kensley E. I'm just going to sleeve these as I go because it's always weird to sleeve them once I'm done. So. All right, 3 packs left. Hold your breath. Bobby Wagner, Calvin Austin, a little bit of a tease there. Aiden Hutchinson, that's our first Aiden and Cater. We've got Russ. Well, 5-card pack here. We got Russ, Kyle Pitts, Nakobe Dean, Trayvon Walker, and Treylon Burks. All right, any last pack magic? Does not look like it. Sorry, folks. Tua, Lewis, Kenneth Walker, and Zamir. That concludes the break. We'll go through all these hits here if you missed anything. Bummer we didn't get many good Pickett's or Purdy's at all. But a zebra and 2 autos, we can't hate on that. A few numbered cards as well. So Christian Watson, Tom Brady, Matt Corral, Desmond Ridder, Deshaun, Pickett, Nakobe Dean, Wandell, Malik, Mac Jones, Sam Hollow, Matt Corral, Kenny Pickett, Desmond Ridder, Terry McLaurin, DeMar Hamlin, T-Law, Matt Corral, Malik, Jalen Smith auto, Joe Burrow, Patrick Mahomes, Gabe Davis, Olave, Rodrigo, got George Pickens, Ritter, Martin Emerson, Zebra, Micah Parsons, Tyreek Hill, Desmond Ridder, Tony Hill auto, Kobe Bryant, and Olave. Thank you guys so much, and yeah, man, it's win some, you lose some on these. It's really tough with Panini too. So, but I do appreciate you guys joining. Hopefully, you had a good time. And if you are looking to do anything else tonight, I'm going to try and do a break on Whatnot. So, thanks so much. Hope to see you soon.